The Secretary General was deeply saddened to learn of the passing of Nicholas Hېsm, who died on Tuesday in New York. The Secretary General described him as a principled lawyer, tireless peacemaker, and steadfast champion of the values of the United Nations.
Simply holding elections is not enough. The credibility, transparency, and inclusivity of the process is what brings legitimacy.
In every task, he combined deep legal insight with sound political judgment and an unwavering dedication to improving the lives of people.
There's a broad recognition that in South Sudan there can't be peace without development, but we know that there can't be development without peace.
The Secretary General offers his deepest condolences to his family and loved ones, and to all our colleagues who had the privilege to be inspired by him in the pursuit of peace.